Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and this is the beaded drizzle stitch. To make this stitch, we want to bring our needle up from the back of the fabric. And now we're going to unthread our needle and stick the point of the needle right next to where we came up, like so. Now that thread that is coming out of the fabric, we are going to cross it over itself and take that loop and stick it on around the needle like so, and then we gently tug so it tightens around our needle. And now we will add a bead. So you want to make sure your bead will easily slide onto your needle like that. And then we will twist our thread over itself again, slide it around our needle, and gently tug. And we want to make sure that that loop sits right above our bead here and there's no overlapping. And then we will add another bead. So we'll slide another bead right on top of that one there and twist our thread over itself again, stick it right on top of that last bead and around our needle. And let's add one more bead here. So we'll grab one more bead, slide it onto our needle like so, and then we'll twist our thread and slide it back around our needle. Now we need to re-thread our needle. So I want to I always like to hold my needle from underneath the fabric to make it a little easier just to thread my needle here, like so. There we go. And then when you thread your needle, I always pinch my drizzle stitches and the beads here as you pull your needle from underneath and just gently tug here so our thread comes through, and there is our beaded drizzle stitch, like so. And you can also play around with how many drizzle stitches you stick between beads here. You can see this one, I did about 2 or 3 in between the beads, and that way it'll give you a little bit of different designs. And these ones, you can stack more beads on there as well, or you could do different colored beads. So have fun playing around with the beaded drizzle stitch.